Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can turn on incognito mode on your YouTube application. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your YouTube application, and before I start this video, I need to tell you that you have to update your YouTube application because this is the latest feature that YouTube introduced. So make sure to update your YouTube. So now go to your profile on top of your right, and here you can see on the second option, turn on incognito. Just select that option, and as you can see, if I go to the search button, my search history will be in incognito mode. And now I am using the YouTube incognito mode, and now I'm going to show you how you can turn off this one incognito mode. Just click the incognito icon on top of your right, click here, and now select turn off incognito. Just select here, and now your YouTube application is turned back to the normal view. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.